drivers save under your plan?
It depends on the level of protection. You're going to have folks that'll be able to save at least 15 to 20% on up to folks that, somebody who's on Medicare, for example, has a 1997 Buick, could save upwards of 70, 80% if they have a basic PLPD plan. So it really depends on the level of coverage. And
So you're promising motorists that there will be cost savings in this plan?
Absolutely. When you have the only system in the nation that has unlimited lifetime like we have now, and we change it to more like other states, our rates are going to be more like other states, and they're going to be lower. And these are going to drive down the rates. The Department of Insurance and Financial Services, you got to remember, has approved these rates. And so with the liability that goes down, with the cost savings that there's going to be significant savings for our residents here in Michigan.
Why didn't you put the savings in writing?
They are in writing. They're right in there. They're in the bill.
They don't say that you're going to get the money back, do they?
They say that they're going to be significant savings in the bill. And that's what's going to happen with our auto insurance rates. I figure I'll probably save about 40% on my plan from this legislation. I couldn't have done it without Chairwoman Lana Teich. She's been working on this issue for quite a few years. But as we work together, it was great to see a bipartisan vote that'll actually drive down the cost of auto insurance here in Michigan.
So what have bicameral talks looked like? Have you guys engaged with the House? Have they been part of this process?
Yeah, I mean, the Senate Majority Leader, and I know the leadership in the House have been talking quite frequently. And so this is something where, as I've told any number of you before, that we've been waiting for the Speaker to give a thumbs up to send it on over to the Senate Majority Leader. And our hope is that they'll be able to act on this. But I was so proud of the bipartisan support we got in this legislation. Not much, in terms of 24 to 14. I mean, I think we had a strong vote here in the Senate, because I think drivers here in Michigan are sick and tired of paying the highest rates in the nation, and we need to really drive down the rates of the drivers.
Real quick, did you get